Hello, in today's video, we're going to speak about Zen Browser and its problems. There's a few things about the Zen Browser after using it for a few days now. I just find out that it doesn't support DRM, which means digital rights management. It's mostly used by platforms like Netflix and other platforms, can be only played in their web app. It's some kind of protection they use, so it doesn't have DRM. So in case you want to use your browser for DRM, Zen Browser is not the right one for you. Okay, next is we're gonna talk about the privacy of the browser. I just ran a test here and it shows me that it has some partial protection comparing to for example, Google Chrome. It doesn't have any protection against trackers and ads. For example, Zen Browser have a partial protection against it, but the problem is it have a fingerprint, which I see. For example, I have Brave Browser down here. It doesn't have a fingerprint. Zen Browser is not the most private browser you're gonna use, and there is much better choices out there, I'm pretty sure, if you care about privacy as number one. Okay, the next issue is Zen mods. Well, Zen mods is not an issue if they don't work, honestly, because they modify, they add something to the browser. But if you're someone who likes to customize, perhaps you was an Opera GX user for a long time and you try to switch to Zen Browser, I don't think it's good for you, especially if you're used to mods. Because the Zen Browser is not as known as the other browsers yet, so it doesn't really get enough quality mods. And honestly, most mods I tried, they don't work. So yeah, it's still developing. Zen Browser, honestly, in its first baby steps, I guess. I mean, the concept looks good and the design and everything, but it's still not competing against those other browsers, I assure you. And this is my honest opinion. And yeah, if you wanna see me again do browser reviews like this one, just sub and like. See ya.